Hello, boys and girls. It's welcome from Reverend Jim and Charlie the Chimp. Say hello, Charlie. I know you can't quite say it. So, why are we here this week? Well, we've been really enjoying Advent. You don't really like waiting, Charlie, I know, but we have been enjoying Advent. And Advent tells us about that Jesus is coming, don't we? And we remember that when we light the candles. Do you remember that, Charlie? Yeah, I know you do. And what was the first one? The first one we lit was to remember that Jesus is the light of the world, came into this world. And then the second one, you're not so sure. The second one is for hope. And so I wonder what your hopes are for Christmas this year. Your hopes are that you get lots of presents. I know. But other hopes, as we celebrate Christmas and we have a lovely time together with our family, and we can enjoy going to church and enjoy our presents. Some people in the world have very little. That's absolutely true, isn't it, Charlie? Yes. So people in the Yemen, maybe people in different parts of Africa, parts of Asia, like Afghanistan. Yeah, we've got a friend, haven't we, that's trying to come from Afghanistan and live here in the UK. And there's lots of other people like that as well. So let's remember them. That's really important, isn't it? But I wonder if you can remember who was at the first Christmas. Mary and Joseph, they went along, of course. They were there with the baby, yeah. And then there was the angels. You like the angels, didn't you? Yeah, because you love the singing, don't you? That's fantastic, Charlie. And who else? There was the sheep. Yeah, the sheep. Your friends, the sheep. Yeah, and they were there with their shepherds. And then there were the three wise men, weren't they? They came a bit later on, but they came, and I wonder who your favorite of those people were. I thought you might like them, Charlie. Charlie likes the three kings. Why is that? They brought presents, and he loves presents. Yeah, and was there anybody else there? Do you really think so, Charlie? No, there were no chimps there. No, there definitely weren't any chimps there. Oh, maybe there should have been chimps, but there weren't any chimps there. So, but it'd be good maybe if we're not too sure that we listen to the whole story, isn't it? Charlie's got some friends that have done a great song called Bethlehemian Rhapsody, and it is really good. So let's listen to it now and see what you think, okay? Yes, and we'll remember your presence, yes. Let's go over and see the show.
Is this the real birth? Is it nativity? Caught in a census in the town of his ancestry. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. He's just a poor boy, foretold by prophecy. Because the wise men come, wise men go, angels high, shepherds low. This is how God's love shows. It's a wondrous story to me. Mary just got the word. The angel did appear, but he told her not to fear. Mary, now it's just begun. Your son is gonna wash our sins away. Mary, the God who reigns on high has sent his son through you to die for all.
see a little silhouette of a sheep.
Shepherds watch over their flocks at night time.
Angels shine like lightning, very, very frightening me.
Peace on earth unto you is born this day.
I'm just a shepherd, nobody loves me.
He's just a shepherd from a poor family. Angels said go to the stable and see.
Wise men come, wise men go, will Herod let him live?
Herod, go, he will not let him live.
Better go.
Herod, he will not let him live.
Better go.
Herod, he will not let him live.
Better go.
Let him live.
Better go.
Let him live.
Better go.
Oh, Mary Joseph, Mary Joseph.
Mary Joseph, better go to Egypt now. God has saved her son who paid for me, for me, for me.
So you think that it's just a tale of days gone by? But this child who was born went to Calvary to die. Oh, Jesus, it's the story of Jesus. Wash our sins out, wash our sins right out of here.
Jesus, Jesus.
It's a wondrous story, anyone can see. Let's give God the glory. It's a wondrous story to me.
This is how God's love shows.
Wow, was that good, boys and girls? Yeah, yes, your best friends were in it. I know they were, and it was really good. It told the whole story of Christmas. We're going to finish now with the song, which also tells another way of listening to story, and it's called "When Love Was Born."
Starlight shines, the night is still. Shepherds watching from a hill. I close my eyes and see the night when love was born. A perfect child gently waves, a mother bends to kiss God's face. I close my eyes and see the night when love was born. Angels fill the midnight sky. They sing, Hallelujah, He is Christ, our King. changed forevermore when love was born. I close my eyes and see the night when love was born.
Fantastic. I hope that the boys and girls really enjoyed that. So this Christmas, let's remember the story of Jesus coming into the world, that he was the Prince of Peace, and he came that we might all have peace. So when you're enjoying your Christmas dinner and enjoying the friendship, and indeed, yes, Charlie, enjoying your presents, let's remember those who this Christmas aren't able to celebrate them quite the way we are. We'll say bye for now and hope you have a really good and peaceful and generous Christmas this year. Bye for now. Bye, boys and girls. See you in the new year.